Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the chocolate sprinkler works in Great Garden game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. When you apply the chocolate sprinkler, your plants nearby will be covered by the chocolate, as you can see like this, and it will apply the chocolate mutation or the chalk mutation. Okay, I just got the chalk tomato, and the fruit or the plants with the chalk mutation will look like this. It will turn into a chocolate. And if you want to get the chocolate sprinkler, guys, you can go to the Easter shop right here and you can buy it. It's purchasable here. Okay, chocolate sprinkler. Or actually, you can join the egg hunt event. And if you're lucky, you will get the chocolate sprinkler. You will have 15% chance to get the chocolate sprinkler. Okay, so basically the sprinkler can give the chalk mutation on your plants or on your fruits and grow a garden. Okay guys, and that's how the chocolate sprinkler works and grow a garden game of Roblox and Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!